In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. This seamless integration will be set up in just 5 minutes, allowing you to easily manage your payment notifications and streamline your workflow. First, let's head over to the Zapier website. If you haven't yet created an account, don't worry, you can use your Google account for a quick sign up process. Once there, simply click the login button in the top right corner of the home page. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials or opt to log in with Google for a faster entry. Now that you are inside the Zapier interface, navigate to the home section. Here you'll find an organized overview of your Zaps and automation projects. Next, look for and click on the Create button. This action will guide you to the area where you can start building your new Zap. Our next step is to identify the Zaps section. Under this section you'll find a button labeled Trigger. Click on it, as this is where the magic begins. You'll essentially be setting off the automated processes that will manage your Stripe notifications. You'll now see a search bar. Here, type in Stripe to locate the app within Zapier. Once you've typed it in, click on the Stripe option when it appears. This selection will bring forth multiple triggers available under Stripe. What we want to focus on is setting up a trigger for new payment. When you click on this option, you are defining which event in Stripe will trigger your notifications. At this point, it's time to connect your Stripe account. Click on Connect Stripe. A prompt will guide you through the process to ensure Zapier can securely access your Stripe account. Follow the prompts, click Sign In on the Stripe account pop-up, and confirm the connection to ensure seamless integration between the two platforms. Once connected, you have the option to test your connection. Click Test to verify that everything is set up correctly. With the trigger part complete, it's time to define what happens next. Now, click on the Action button. This action will decide what Zapier should do once a new payment is detected. We're looking to send an email notification, so when prompted, select Gmail from the list of applications. As we specify the action, opt for Send Email under the Gmail integration. If prompted, sign into your Gmail account to authorize Zapier. This step allows it to send emails on your behalf. Run another test to confirm this integration is functioning as expected. Finally, when you're certain everything is operating smoothly, it's time to bring this Zap to life by hitting Publish. Your new automation will now work in real time, sending you email notifications every time there's a new payment in your Stripe account. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic payment notifications from Stripe using Zapier. Enjoy the efficiency this brings to your process and keep simplifying your workflow with these handy automation tools.